Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris from Canopies and 4x4 here today. I'm a little bit more energetic this morning. I actually got a decent night's sleep, right? The missus didn't bother me. Anyway, that's information that you guys don't care about. The information that you guys care about is this lovely Jac T9 JAC. I don't know what it stands for, but whatever. 10 points in the comments for the funniest JAC, what it stands for, acronym, fucking whatever you call it. Anyway, what are we going to do? We are going to get a steel canopy fitted on this bad boy today. We're going to go through the assembly of it, the fitment of it, so you guys can have an idea. I know you Jac T9 owners are always getting a bit of flack, but honestly, it's a lovely, lovely ute. I think it looks quite nice. All of these Chinese utes coming out and really giving the competition, the Hilux Ranger Duo a run for their money with the features and also, more importantly, the pricing, right? Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it.
Young Apollo with the win.
I refuse to let a bad night ruin me, just doesn't get through to me. Even back then, getting stopped by the truancy. Posted with the bros and turned the bond into a mutiny. You fuck with one of them and then we handle it brutally, Y'all not sick, you pussies got immunity and lack the continuity. I leave them in the dust and stack bread cause I'm moving things. Speed reached a new high when I started removing things. I had to drop the baggage out the plane before I flew a wing. Or let the engine fail, cold day in hell, I let a pest prevail. Let's put them to the test and let the pressure scale. Yeah, that'll do it, that'll separate the weak from the real, getting to it. I did it for the love, but got no love for what I did. So that's why I'm moving different and shit. Play the part, but sometimes it's like I'm missing a script. I write my own, cause nobody gonna tell it like it is. Yeah, nobody gonna tell it like it is. Cause nobody gonna tell it like it is. So I be showing them the way, living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. Ay, so I be showing them the way, living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. What you say, I'm steaming out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me, I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the ring, add some numbers to the stock. Let it pop, go and show them what you got. Never stop, never ate. What you say, I'm steaming out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me, I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the chain, add some numbers to the flock. Let it pop, go and show them what you got. Never stop, never stop. Never stop. So I be showing them the way, living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. Ay, so I be showing them the way, living by example, put my life on display. Put me in the game, watch them make a play. Live a life for the day, sun shining through the gray. What you say, I'm steaming out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me, I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the ring, add some numbers to the stock. Let it pop, go and show them what you got. Never stop, never.
Hey, what you say, I'm steaming
out the pot. Got my brother standing next to me, I'll pass my boys the rock. Put some diamonds in the chain, add some numbers to the flock. Let it pop, go and show them what you got. Never stop, never. Cover my face with my hoodie on this cold road. Tryna break the bank till my pockets getting more growth. I know you see me coming up with these goals. Got me shows in the Gold Coast, but we don't post those. A young man living out his dream and then he goes home to pops having problems with his heart, and like he knows those moments that we got left are getting numbered. But he tells his son the world is in your hands, so you know he has to go pro. Make it a scene, give him what you believe. End of the day you like me, not too far from the tree. And if you had a son and you were sick, you pushed for his dreams and wouldn't let yourself get in the way, whatever it means. I get it, I see it, but tell me, how can you choose between the thing that you love and the ones that love you? Just live your truth, cause to me you're living proof of what happens when you shoot to the stars and the moon. What dreams we may see, what may come and may be. Living the life for me, don't let them get you off your speed. And where you trying to go, when the stars out, time to glow. As we live through the highs and lows. All my life I knew I had this coming. Zombies had me tore around the country. Ironic how the dead gave me a pulse. Break the mold, the kid turned into something. Oh, those guys will number out the budget. Beast Coast, those my brothers, different mothers. RIP my pops, he would've loved this. Blood don't always make someone your family. Thankful for the people that I'm stuck with. Got some friends that hold me down for nothing. So we live out every dream we told each other on the bumpy roads. That's just what it comes with. Make it to the top with the ones that I came up with, just so we could cross out everything that's on the bucket. Trevor, that's my brother, different mother. Both our daddies flying in the sky somewhere above us. Still so much to see that's undiscovered. Hope I get to see before they call my number. What dreams we may see, what may come and may be. Living the life for me, don't let them get you off your speed. And where you trying to go? When the stars out, time to glow. Hey, as we live through the highs and lows, what dreams we may see, may come and maybe. Living the life for me, don't let them get you off your speed. And where you trying to go? When the stars out, time to glow. As we live through the highs and lows.
I was made for this. Small kids, small town, never changed a bit.
Long roads, cold nights,
I had to pray for this.
stayed down, came up.
Never played with this.
Vision clear now that I came out the darkness. I swear if I never made no would've left me broken hearted. But it's big hustling, big spending. Work hard, play harder, I'm in no Said I'm living good, but keep acting like it's nothing. Burn like firewood. Keep that flame inside me, hustling, doing as I should. It was days that I was fumbling, always knew I could. Now the cash, it keeps on coming. Back to back, go for the wake up, all I know is day to day, I get it. Had a son, now he mine. Sit and look at losses like a blessing in disguise. Think about times I almost died. I had angels by my side. Now it's back to back, I'm off the rim. Wake up, get it off.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, all done and dusted. Hopefully you guys enjoy the assembly and the fitment process. We'll go through it while we're at it. You can see all the water on it. Why? Because we water test them before we go. We don't want any of the customers to return telling me that their stuff got wet in the back. I believe we're one of the only Canopy fitters that actually water test their stuff before it goes. Why? Because we want to make sure that our customer gets the best quality at the best price. So have a look there. You can see, oh, it's got central locking on the rear door. I didn't even know that. Anyway, let's go ahead. Boom, unlock. You can have a look here and see just how much space that you gain now on your Jac T9. Now, if everybody else is telling you, hey, we don't have the canopy for the Jac T9, right? Don't worry about them. Come see your Uncle Chris at oscanopies.com.au. We also have these available for basically all the utes driving around today. You can see that. Quickly search your make and model on the website to confirm that we've got it. You can purchase it directly online once you purchase it online, you can use this video on how to fit it onto your ute. Or if you don't want to bother with that, you can give us a call 0296278666 and we will fit one for you. Other than that, all done and dusted. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. What else do I got to say, Dan? I think that's everything. Anyway, peace. I'll see you on the next one.